The Office of the District Medical and Health Office West Jaintia Hills District organized an awareness program on the theme Working Together to Prevent Suicide as part of the District Mental Health Program at the Lak Thalabo Community Hall today to observe the World Suicide Prevention Day. The program was held to educate the village headmen on the vital role that they can play in preventing the occurrence of suicides in the state. Speaking at the program as a chief guest, Sri B. Chetri, Additional Superintendent of Police, stated, this year, till the month of August, 10 people have committed suicide. The resource persons at the program were Ms. Shalomi Singkon, clinical psychologist, and Ms. Diana Tongper, psychiatric social worker. Both the resource persons highlighted the various factors driving people to suicide and the ways which such unfortunate incidents could be mitigated or prevented.
Tapi you grow under pressure, under suicidal thoughts, oleh kamu terjadi. It down, this is a wrong technique. He only asks. He only asks. This is a. Jangan pula you aktor he'll only ask. He'll not listen. He'll only listen. He'll not ask. He'll not help. Tetap phone. Phone you mama said I'm having this. I'm having that. Your own Matlang kedai yang kenal. Kenapa kau dah tidak ada yang dibuat hang office yang ni? You should not do that, right? Please, when you do one thing and can't be it up. This is a wrong technique. This is a what also. Misa main actor yang okay, now he's the main person who will save his life, correct? Now what happens?
What is this mental health problems? Jangan dok ni ada kata ini, dan mesti 100% or 50% mesti ada cuma cepat. Si jangan, dan mesti 100% or 50% mesti ada. Kedua tak kamera yang ni, kamu ni biar lagi ni yang ngap jadi maupun jai, kamu ni biar lagi ni yang lagi kejut yang si. Maupun jika dijut, kamu ni biar nanti ini ada mental health problems. Itu down ni sini man special halo, dan tentang yang ini hal pun hidup ini dok ini representative untuk cuma kita yang buat jual, mau kalau kita dok jual taraf saya jual ada buat yang ini yang siapa high ni. Dan kita dok tentang macam yang ini hak kita jual ini kan mental health problems. And your number 2 rules is, your responsibility is beware of your attitude and behavior. Or attitude and behavior. Tibi iwa ko ino do kali, o ino kali bawa terjun sorong arti, o sorong ni. Siya ito biang ni ibiang cuma kali i mani nam bilok ni guna, mani nam bilok ni blok baju di kita, siya kali lagi. Lagi kita to attitude wrong attitude. Must beware of your attitude and behavior. In order for you to help those people who have these mental health problems, you have to be very careful about your attitude and behavior. And choose your word carefully. Kita you lagi have JP. Don't use that harsh language. Mau kita your core, kita you kalau tahu buat cuma buat hal ni, orang buat ini JP. Jika you can change MK ni you see how they do buat buat. Dan you kalau kita you how you get kita lagi. So even only educate others. In here they have a head to try, and we have the one and we have the year that. Like on this program ini, itu dah ini representative yang bicara kita. Kenapa you mana ni rak lamu dengan ni yang bicara kita yang ni macam tahu LP rak lamu dengan mau pun ni kamera ni. Siapa itu? Next. Ngapa speed program? You akan cakap? Speed ini dah awak pun semua orang